Siadíh agus fáilte go thula le tríúna, inniu to go láha úsáid leis an hula hoop. Hello, welcome to Hula with Triona. Today we're going to incorporate our arms along with the hula hoop. That's fine on tossy, agus a réile. Agus go na láha chur amach higgin tí, láhhain a gamhain. A réile. Hope go heart. Gala, 2 hands out. Relax your arms for a minute. And you go, keep going. Okay, Balakala, let's go first National Tam Shot. Up in the air with your hands. Keep it up. Gala. Typical heart.